Hey, fellow foodies and travel lovers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your ultimate destination for exploring the diverse and delicious foods from all around the world. We're so happy to have you here. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our upcoming food adventures. In today's episode, we're going on a culinary journey to explore some of the most mouth-watering and iconic traditional holiday dishes that you absolutely have to try. Every culture has its own special way of celebrating holidays, and food plays an essential part in bringing people together. Whether it's the rich flavors of Thanksgiving in the US or the sweet indulgence of Diwali sweets in India, these dishes are not only a feast for the taste buds, but also offer a glimpse into the unique traditions and customs of each country. So, buckle up and get ready to discover the world's best holiday foods. 1. Thanksgiving dinner in the United States, a heartwarming feast. Thanksgiving is one of the most beloved holidays in the US, and the food served during this celebration is legendary. Families gather around tables overflowing with a variety of traditional dishes that have been passed down through generations. Let's explore the main elements of this heartwarming feast. Roast turkey with cranberry sauce. The star of any Thanksgiving table is the roast turkey. It's often served with cranberry sauce, which provides the perfect balance of sweetness and tartness. Alongside the turkey, you'll find mashed potatoes, gravy, and stuffing, each bite a comforting reminder of family and togetherness. Pumpkin pie. No Thanksgiving meal is complete without a slice of pumpkin pie. Made with spiced pumpkin filling, this dessert has been a staple in American kitchens for centuries. It's creamy, flavorful, and a must-have for dessert lovers. Sweet potatoes with marshmallows, another Thanksgiving classic. This dish combines the sweetness of baked sweet potatoes with the gooey richness of toasted marshmallows. It's the perfect side dish to complement the savory elements of the meal. 2. Christmas dinner in the United Kingdom, a royal feast. In the United Kingdom, Christmas is a time for gathering with family and indulging in a delicious meal that includes some truly traditional dishes. Whether you're in England, Wales, Scotland, or Northern Ireland, the Christmas feast remains largely the same: rich, hearty, and festive. Roast turkey or goose. Like in the US, roast turkey is often the centerpiece of the British Christmas dinner. However, in some regions, roast goose is also a popular choice. The bird is usually accompanied by roasted vegetables, Brussels sprouts, and gravy. Christmas pudding. This rich, spiced dessert is a British Christmas tradition. Made with dried fruits, spices, and suet, Christmas pudding is often served with brandy, butter, or custard. It's traditionally steamed for hours, and many families have the custom of it just before serving. Minced pies. These small pies are filled with a mixture of dried fruits, spices, and sometimes brandy. Minced pies are a festive favorite in the UK, and they're enjoyed throughout the holiday season, especially with a cup of mulled wine. 3. The Feast of the Seven Fishes. Italian Christmas Eve celebration. In Italy, the holiday season is filled with food, and one of the most iconic traditions is the Feast of the Seven Fishes at Christmas Eve. Celebrations centered around a variety of seafood dishes. The number of courses can vary, but the focus is always on fresh fish and shellfish. Salted cod. One of the most traditional dishes served during the Feast of the Seven Fishes is salted cod. It's prepared in many different ways, from frying to stewing, and often paired with olives, capers, and tomatoes. Fried calamari. Lightly battered and fried squid is another popular choice during this festive meal. Its crispy texture and delicate flavor make it a crowd pleaser at any holiday celebration. Linguine with clams. This pasta dish is a classic for Italian Christmas Eve dinners. It combines linguine pasta with a savory sauce made from fresh clams, garlic, and olive oil. It's a simple yet delicious way to showcase the flavors of the sea. 4. Hanukkah foods in Israel. Latkes and safganiyat. In Israel, Hanukkah is celebrated with delicious fried foods, symbolizing the miracle of the oil that burned for 8 days in the ancient temple. These dishes are both flavorful and full of tradition, making them a key part of the holiday festivities. Latkes potato pancakes. These crispy golden potato pancakes are a Hanukkah staple. They're usually served with sour cream or applesauce, providing the perfect balance of flavors. The frying process represents the miracle of the oil that lasted longer than expected. Safganiyat jelly donuts. Another popular Hanukkah treat is safganiyat jelly-filled donuts fried in oil. These sweet pastries are a holiday favorite in Israel, and they're often enjoyed warm and dusted with powdered sugar. Brisket. While not fried, brisket is often served as part of the Hanukkah meal in many Jewish households. It's slow-cooked to tender perfection and served with rich, flavorful gravy. 5. Diwali sweets in India. A festival of flavors. In India, Diwali The Festival of Lights is one of the most important holidays, and food plays a huge role in the celebrations. From savory snacks to indulgent sweets, Diwali is a time for feasting and enjoying delicious treats with family and friends. Samosas? These golden, crispy pastries filled with spiced potatoes, peas, or meat are a favorite snack during Diwali. They're often served with tangy tamarind chutney and make for the perfect appetizer. Laddu. Laddu is a sweet round confection made from ingredients like chickpea flour, ghee, and sugar. It's a popular Diwali treat, symbolizing prosperity and good fortune. The rich, indulgent flavor of laddu makes it a must-have during the festival. Barfi, this sweet, fudge-like treat is made from condensed milk, sugar, and ghee. Barfi comes in a variety of flavors, such as pistachio, coconut, or rose, and it's often decorated with edible silver leaf. 6. Chinese New Year. Dumplings and noodles. Chinese New Year is the most important festival in China, and food is at the center of the celebration. Dishes like dumplings and noodles are not only delicious, but also carry deep symbolism for good luck and prosperity in the coming year. Dumplings? Dumplings are a traditional food for Chinese New Year. They're often filled with pork, vegetables, or shrimp, and their shape resembles ancient Chinese gold ingots, symbolizing wealth and prosperity. Families typically make dumplings together as part of the celebration. Longevity noodles? Long noodles are eaten during Chinese New Year to symbolize long life. The noodles can be stir-fried, served in a broth, or cooked with vegetables and meat, but the key is that they should never be broken, as this would symbolize a short life. 7. Midsummer Feast in Sweden. A celebration of summer, midsummer is one of the most important holidays in Sweden, and the food served during this celebration is all about celebrating the summer harvest and the beauty of the season. Pickled herring. One of the traditional foods served during midsummer is pickled herring. It comes in various flavors, including mustard, dill, and garlic. The herring is typically enjoyed with boiled potatoes, sour cream, and fresh dill. Strawberry cake? Midsummer also marks the arrival of Sweden's fresh summer strawberries. One of the most popular desserts during this time is strawberry cake, known as jordgubb. It's a light and refreshing cake filled with whipped cream and fresh strawberries. Food that brings us together. As we've seen, holiday dishes are more than just meals. They're a way to celebrate family, tradition, and cultural heritage. From the festive feasts of the United States to the sweet treats of India, food plays an essential role in bringing people together during special occasions. These traditional dishes are not just about eating, they're about sharing experiences, creating memories, and honoring customs that have been passed down through generations. No matter where you are in the world, the best part of any holiday meal is the joy of sharing it with loved ones. Thank you for joining us on this food journey around the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious content from Global Eats Uncovered.